Hey guys, have you seen my new dog? So you are wondering why my parents bought me a dog. Because I just stood first in my class. So my parents were really happy, and after taking the result back, I was returning home and they decided to get me a pet dog. So I was literally very happy and very happy. I'm so happy because it is so cute. I just want to eat that. Okay, bye.